everyone. This is Janisha, a soon-to-be undergraduate from the Department of Ocean Engineering, hopefully. I'm here to give you all a brief about something which was very integral in my college experience, Case Club. Just to clarify a few things first, we do not deal with court cases, nor do we deal with detective cases. We deal with something which is common to both, that is problem solving. So a case is nothing but an example of a real-world problem. Founded in 2021, the club's vision was to enhance problem-solving culture in INSTI. Problem-solving essentially means that given a situation, if you're given a problem, like you identify a problem, you brainstorm and then arrive at the most optimal solutions through first principles thinking. So we identified that this is something very important to student community, not just to crack some companies or like establish career, but even in day-to-day decision making. But no one exactly gives real importance to this. So that's where we came in, and we narrowed this vision slightly, focusing on two major professions which are purely based on problem solving. The first one is management consulting, and the second one is product management. You'll get to know more about these as you spend your time in institute. So to help students in these and then master the craft, we curated a lot of resources. We have conducted workshops, and then we have had our share of competitions, etc. Speaking of a few, we were the first one to make engineer level undergrad case books, and we have also had our share of case competitions in collaboration with established startups like Aether Energy, Traya Health. We also have our own YouTube channel where we explain stuff about consulting, PM, etc. through our alumni. So an important point to note here is that our presence is not just limited to IIT Madras but all over India. We have collaborations with other IITs, IIMs, NITs, etc. as well. So personally, I feel very proud to be part of all this in just 3 years as an associate strategist and student's head. Like, the club has given me a family that I'll cherish forever. Working with such a team of passionate individuals is always fun. Like, this all might sound a lot of work, but it has always been fun for me. Like, we have had our share of late night brainstorming sessions when we are just thinking what food to order. Like, how do you structure that? And then we have had our shares of staying up till 5 a.m. correcting papers, like the papers that people solve, and preparing for hosting the competitions, etc. In a way, leading the club has also helped me pave a way for myself in the consulting world. Like, I am placed in a consulting firm right now. Similarly, this is not just for me. This is to all the people who have been in the team and have gone to amazing places in the corporate world. So if you are someone who has the no CD in organizing, or you just wonder what is structuring, or you think about how decision making works in companies, where do they get help from, or nothing, you just want to see how many monkeys you can see in the campus, we'll help figuring out all this. So do check us out. All the best.